In this video, I will make you understand what is microworker, how it works, how to get started, how much money you can make with this platform, how and when to withdraw your money, and if it is scam. Having said that, let's get started. What is Microworkers? Microworkers is a crowdsourcing website that offers you small tasks and jobs in exchange for a small amount of money. Examples of this kind of task include adding comment to repost, downloading apps, forum participation, testing websites, carrying out searches, writing articles, and so on. How to get started? Getting started is pretty straightforward. If you already have an account, simple, just log in. If you're first time, click on the register button, fill in the required information, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, and your password. At the address, make sure to put in your correct mailing information for it to be used during your transaction. Put in your city, zip code, your city name, state or region, and country where you live. Accept the terms and conditions and click on the submit button. An email address will be sent to your inbox for verification. Click on the link on the message to get your email verified, and you will be redirected to the home page. Before you can carry out any task, you must also verify your phone number. To do that, click on the account tab and scroll to where it says phone number. Mine is already verified and yours is going to be different because it's a new account. Click on reset and put in your phone number. A PIN will immediately be sent to you. Put in the PIN, get verified, and return to the home page. Here, it totally depends on you. If you want the best paying job, click on the most paying, and you will have all the available jobs. The type of jobs you get are going to depend on where you live. You can also sort the jobs by the following tabs: qualification, testing, mobile application, and so on. At this point, click on one of the jobs available to you to have a better understanding of the job. Jobs with HD icon are typically for everyone without any sort of restriction. Jobs with the color icon are for some certain countries. Click it to see if your country is accepted to run the task. And if you finally see a job that interests you, accept it and follow the instruction. How much money can you make with microworkers? The amount of money you can make depends on how much effort and time you are willing to put in. Note, you cannot make a full-time living with microworkers, but at least you can make some cash out of it. To maximize your money, I would advise going for high-paying jobs. How and when can you withdraw your money? Before you can withdraw your money, you must meet the minimum threshold, which is $10. And to withdraw, all you have to do is to click on the withdraw tab, select your preferred payment method. For your first transaction, a PIN will be sent to your mailing address, and it requires a couple of days to arrive at your residing house. And again, if your address is not correct, you still have a chance to correct it right here. Is microworker a scam? Our experience might be different. In my own opinion, it's not a scam. It's 100% legit website. But the only issue I don't like about Microworker is the time it takes to have your first transaction pin. If you've watched this video to this point, I will have to say thank you. I do appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel.